How do you wash and maintain a natural pillow or duvet without wrecking the fill inside it? The method changes with the material, so let's go through it fill by fill.
The one rule that covers everything is that the fill decides the wash, not your preference. Organic cotton fill and covers take a gentle cold wash. Wool, latex, buckwheat hulls, and kapok are spot cleaned or aired instead of soaked. And on every pillow we make, the removable cover carries the regular laundry, so the fill itself rarely needs cleaning at all.
Before the fill by fill, why does the method matter this much? It's a pillow.
Because the wrong wash is what ruins a natural fill. Soak and tumble wool, and it felts into a shrunken, matted mass. Get kapok wet, and it clumps in a way you cannot fluff back out. Submerge shredded latex, and water breaks down the rubber over time. A natural pillow is built to last years, and the care routine is what protects those years.
Start with cotton, since it's the one most people own.
Organic cotton is the forgiving one. Both the fill and the cover carry full GOTS certification, and both take a cold water machine wash on a gentle cycle. The better habit for the batting is to skip the wash most of the time and pull it apart by hand every few weeks so it does not clump, then air it in the sun. Repeated washing compresses cotton faster than airing does.
What about wool? That one feels riskier.
Wool asks for the gentlest routine of all. The fiber wicks up to 30% of its weight in moisture without feeling damp, and that same structure is why full soaking and agitation felt it. So you air a wool pillow in a dry, shaded spot and spot clean any stains. Skip the washing machine and skip dry cleaning too, since the solvents damage the fiber. Airing and spot cleaning are the whole routine.
Buckwheat next, there are holes in there.
The hulls are never washed. You unzip the organic cotton twill cover, pour the hulls into a bowl, and machine wash just the cover, cold water, tumble dry low. To refresh the hulls themselves, spread them in the sun for a few hours once or twice a year. Water and buckwheat hulls do not mix, so the cover does all the laundry work.
And kapok?
Kapok follows the same cover-only rule as buckwheat. The fiber clumps for good once it gets wet, so the organic cotton cover is what you machine wash, and the fill itself is fluffed by hand. Kapok likes a daily fluff more than any other fill we make, the way a down pillow does, and that hand fluffing is what keeps it lofty.
Last fill, the shredded latex.
Latex never goes in water. Spot clean the shredded pieces with a little mild soap, let them air dry fully, and keep the fill out of long stretches of direct sun, since ultraviolet light breaks down natural rubber. Handle it gently, and slow pour Dunlop latex lasts up to a decade.
So across all 6, the pattern is the same?
It is. Machine wash the removable cover on your normal bedding schedule, and let the fill be spot cleaned, aired, or sunned instead of soaked. The cover is the part built to be laundered, and it takes the sweat and oils so the fill does not.
Now the duvets, because this is where people get it wrong. Can you machine wash a wool or cotton duvet?
No, and the two duvets are cared for a little differently. Both are hand tufted with corner loops that hold the fill in place across a big panel. A machine agitation would shift that fill unevenly. The organic cotton duvet is spot clean and sun only, with no machine wash and no dry cleaning. In both cases, a removable duvet cover handles the everyday laundry.
Why the difference between the two duvets?
It comes down to the fiber. Keep a washable cover on either one at all times. Air the insert outside on a dry day every few months, and it stays fresh without a full wash.
How long should all this last if you care for it right?
Longer than most bedding. With proper care, an organic cotton pillow runs 2 to 4 years. Wool 3 to 5, and buckwheat 3 to 5, before you refresh the hulls and keep the same pillow going. Shredded latex lasts up to a decade, and both duvets carry a 10 to 15 year life with a cover, well past a typical duvet. Every one of these is GOTS certified under license GOTS-10229, fill, cover, thread, and dye on the cotton and wool.
What makes a pillow wear out in the first place?
Three things stack up. Your body weight presses the fill night after night. The moisture you give off while you sleep works into it, and the skin oils that soak in slowly yellow the fabric. Fluffing and airing handle the first two. The third is where a protector earns its place.
Say more about the protector.
A washable barrier protector takes the sweat and oils that would otherwise soak into the fill, so the pillow underneath stays cleaner and lasts longer. Our waterproof organic cotton pillow protector is GOTS certified as a finished product, and it is the single best add-on for a wool or Kapok pillow, since those two lose life fastest to moisture. It washes cold, air dries, and takes the wear instead of the pillow.
And when the off-season comes and you want to store bedding away?
Wash and fully dry everything first, then keep it somewhere cool, dry, and dark, like a linen closet rather than a basement or attic where humidity builds. Use a breathable cotton or canvas bag instead of airtight plastic, so any leftover moisture can escape. Air the duvet outside on a dry day before it goes in, so you are not sealing the sleeping season in with it.
Why not the vacuum seal bags? They save so much space.
They are fine for a short trip, but for months in storage, they compress wool and buckwheat in ways that are hard to reverse, and the space you save is not worth the loft you lose. A loose, breathable bag keeps dust and pests out while the fibers stay relaxed.
Give me the version I can remember standing at the linen closet.
Wash the cover, not the fill. Spot clean or air the fill, and sun it a few times a year to bring the loft back. Machine wash cotton, and never soak wool, latex, buckwheat, or kapok. Keep a washable cover or protector doing the daily work, and natural bedding holds its shape for years.
And the duvets one more time, since they are the easy ones to mishandle.
Cotton duvet, spot clean and sun. Both live inside a washable cover, both get aired between cleanings, and both are built to last 10 to 15 years. Treat the cover as the laundry and the insert as the thing you protect.
That's a clean place to land.
Care for a natural pillow the way it is built, and it pays you back in years. Wash the cover, respect the fill, and the pillow you bought stays the pillow you keep.